Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6 is equal to 970. And from this question, how to solve the value of x minus 1 over x. So what is the value of this? To do this, solution. So we have x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6 equals 970. First, we can express x raised to the power 6 as x squared all raised to the power 3 plus 1 over, this can be written as x squared all raised to the power 3 is equal to 970. So from here, we have in bracket x squared all raised to the power 3 plus 1 can be written as 1 raised to the power 3 divided by x squared all raised to the power 3. This equals 970. So from here, we can express this as in bracket x squared all raised to the power 3 plus in bracket 1 over x squared all raised to the power 3. This equals 970. From this, looking at this expression right here, we have the sum of 2 cubed. So if you have a raised to the power 3 plus b raised to the power 3, this equals in bracket a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this equation then becomes in bracket x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by in bracket x squared all raised to the power 2 minus x squared times 1 over x squared, then plus in bracket 1 over x squared all raised to the power 2, and this equals 970. So from this, we have in brackets x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by, now x squared will cancel x squared, we have in brackets x squared all raised to the power 2, then we have plus 1 over x squared all raised to the power 2, then minus 1, and this equals 970. So from here, we have difference of 2 squared. So if you have a squared plus b squared, this equals in bracket a plus b all squared minus 2ab. So this expression then becomes in bracket x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by, this becomes in bracket x squared plus 1 over x squared all raised to the power 2 minus 2 times x squared times 1 over x squared, then minus 1, and this is equal to 970. So from this, we have in bracket x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by, so x squared will cancel x squared, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared, then minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. By the way, this is simply squared, then we have minus 1, and this equals 970. So with this, we have in brackets x squared plus 1 over x raised to the power 2 multiplied by in bracket x squared plus 1 over x squared all raised to the power 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 970. At this junction, we are then going to say let x squared plus 1 over x squared equals t. So this right here is t and this is t. So this expression then becomes t into bracket t squared minus 3 then is equal to 970. So from here, t will multiply and open the bracket, t times t squared, t raised to the power 3, t times minus 3, minus 3t, and this equals 970. Move from 970 over to this side, t raised to the power 3 minus 3t minus 970, this equals 0. From here, we can express this expression as t raised to the power 3 minus 3t minus 970 can be written as 1000 minus 30, and this equals 0. So with this, we have t raised to the power 3 minus 3t minus, we open the bracket, minus times 1000 minus 1000, and minus times minus 30, that gives us plus 30, and this equals 0. So we are going to rearrange this equation. This becomes 3 raised to the power 3 minus 1000. Then we have minus 3t plus 30. This equals 0. So from here, okay, we have t raised to the power 3 minus 1000 is simply 10 raised to the power 3 minus 3t plus 30. This equals 0. So looking at this right here, difference of 2 cubed, if you have a raised to the power 3 minus b raised to the power 3, this equals in bracket a minus b, okay, multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this then becomes in bracket t minus 10 multiplied by t squared plus 10t plus 100, okay, and this we also have minus 3t plus 30. From here, factorize out minus 3, we are left with t, then minus 10, and this equals 0. So looking at this, we have a common factor, t minus 10 and t minus 10 from this. So simply factorize out t minus 10, so we are left with t squared plus 10t, then plus 100, and then minus 3, and this equals 0. So at this junction, we have this in brackets t minus 10 multiplied by t squared plus 10t plus 100 minus 3, that will give us plus 97, and this equals 0. At this junction, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have t minus 10 equals 0, or we have t squared plus 10t plus 97, this equals 0. So for this first linear equation, the value of t is equal to plus 10. And why for this equation, let us check whether there will be any resolution from this quadratic equation by making use of determinant equals to b squared minus 4ac. So this equals b is the coefficient of t, which is simply plus 10. So 10 squared minus 4 times a is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1, times c is the constant, which is 97. And from here, determinant equals to 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 97. That will give us 388. And if you minus this from 100, the value equals to minus 288. So looking at this value is simply less than 0. This means that there will be no real solution. So no real solution from this given equation. So we can't work with this. So we'll work with the value of t to equal 10. And by the way, the goal is to solve for x minus 1 over x. And to do so, come back to this equation that we said, let x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to t. So right here that we said, let x squared plus 1 over x squared equals t, and we got the value of t to equal 10. So inputting the value of 10 as t into this equation, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared, and this equals 10. So we are then going to subtract 2 from the both sides of the equation. It becomes x squared plus 1 over x squared, then minus 2 equals 10 minus 2. From here, x squared plus 1 can be written as 1 squared over x squared minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8. We can express this as x squared plus in brackets 1 over x all raised to power 2, then minus 2. Then we are going to apply a trick, and the trick is this: simply multiply this by x and also multiply this by 1 over x and equate it to 8. So looking at this right here is in the form of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, and this is equal to in bracket a minus b all squared. So this equation then becomes in bracket x minus 1 over x all squared, which equals 8. So we are going to remove the square from this, and simply to do so, square root the equation. This becomes the square root of, in bracket, x minus 1 over x all squared, okay, is then equal to square root of plus or minus 8. From this, square cancel square root, we have x minus 1 over x equals to plus or minus 8 can be written as square root of 4 times 2. So we have x minus 1 over x equals plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 2. So with this, we have the final solution for the value of x minus 1 over x as this, okay, that x minus 1 over x equals plus or minus 2 root 2. So this is the final answer to the given expression, okay. So I hope you all learned one or two from this video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.